Pronunciation is a vital element for better speaking. If you want to be evaluated or heard or respected by your English speaking, then pronunciation is such an important quality that you have to develop before starting English conversation. Because when you mispronounce an English word, then people will misjudge you. They will not understand you what you are talking about. There are a lot of people in the world that maybe they're quite good at English, they're good at English writing, reading, or something like that. But when they pronounce English words, sometimes it's quite difficult for anybody to understand what they're talking about. So when you like to say something in English, then the very first thing that you should do is to develop your pronunciation, to make your pronunciation accurate. If you can't do that, you cannot impress your audiences by your speaking. Now, in this video, I'm going to share 3 tips for the development of your pronunciation. Let's start with imitation. If you want to develop your pronunciation effortlessly, then imitation has no alternatives. Trust me, you do not have to take a course. You do not have to do anything else. You do not have to even invest a single penny for the development of your pronunciation if you follow imitation. And what is it? It is something like when you listen something, when you listen an English speaker's English, then after listening, you have to give a pause and you have to repeat that. Let's say if you're listening like something, okay, people are walking a lot. So when you listen sentence, after that you have to give a pause and then you have to repeat it by yourself. People are walking a lot. Listen and repeat. Why you have to do it? Because when you listen and repeat at the same time, then it will automatically help you to develop your tone, to maintain the speed of the English speaking, to maintain the connection, to maintain the tone of English conversation. Because every language has their own tone. So in English, I think it has also its own tone. If you want to achieve that, you have to just do imitation. I think, believe me, it will unbelievably help you to develop your pronunciation. After that, you can follow one more thing, and that is listen song. There are lots of English songs, I think, available in online. So the song that you love most, you can listen that. So listen and try to sing with the singer, because when a singer sings a song, then I think they have different tones in the song, right? As a result, if you sing a song, then automatically it will help you to cope up with different tones of English language. And finally, you have to read loud out. Why? Because when you read something loudly, then it will automatically make your tongue flexible. Clear? So when your tongue will be flexible for better pronunciation, then I think, believe me, it will just mesmerize you. Automatically, I think after a certain time, you will be able to pronounce English words just like native speakers. So these are the 3 simple tips that you can follow for better pronunciation, and I hope that if you guys do it, I guarantee you that your pronunciation will be really, really different than today, and it will be like native speakers, right? So if you guys follow it, and if you have improved a bit, then please comment me that what are the problems that you have faced by following this method, or what are the things that you have achieved by following these 3 tips. And I'll be very happy to get your feedback. I'm waiting for that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and like our page. Thanks again. Goodbye.